Cesia, you wild for this one.
What's happening, family? We took a house tour today. We got a couple scenes and footage that we gonna show y'all, so we about to let it roll. We'll see y'all in a minute.
Oh, Cesia, you wild for this one. Oh, Cesia, you wild for this one.
That was the house tour. It's a house out of Fremont, North Carolina. All the information about the house will be in the comments down below. You know what I'm saying? So follow the socials. Atm.doncho on Instagram, DUBUO06 on Snapchat, T.A.artist motors on Instagram.
Oh, Cesia, you
And that's
wild
gonna be
for
in the links below too. Be gone.